paranormales. Bienvenidos a la cuna de lo desconocido. El primer caso que les mostraré ha sido subido por un grupo de excursionistas que hacían un recorrido por un bosque de Estados Unidos y se han topado con un árbol muy perturbador. Así que decidieron grabar el momento para tener pruebas de este impactante hallazgo. Como puedes ver, este árbol tiene una figura muy extraña parecida a una persona. Incluso se le puede ver cabello en la parte superior. Algunos usuarios han mencionado que tal vez esto tenga que ver con brujería negra, dando a entender que tal vez este árbol fue utilizado para cosas siniestras, y por alguna extraña razón tomó esta impactante figura. Pero ¿tú qué piensas, mortal? El siguiente caso que les mostraré ha sido subido por un hombre originario de Estados Unidos. Este hombre es un cazafantasmas que visita lugares embrujados en diferentes partes de Estados Unidos. En esta ocasión visitó un cementerio que está en medio de un enorme bosque. Se dice que en este lugar se aparece un niño con un aspecto demoníaco, que ha sido visto por decenas de personas en los últimos años. Así que este hombre decidió hacer una exploración urbana en este sitio, para ver si podía grabar algo paranormal. Lo que captó es realmente perturbador. Veamos.
I see that people bring you a lot of gifts. See, you've got a lot of coins, rocks and stuff. Do you like it when people bring you stuff? Well, I got you something right here. That's a teddy bear. You like it? Here you go. I set it there for you. If you like that teddy bear, could you move it? Could you move its arm? Just to keep in mind that the wind is blowing, and that is what's causing that to move right there. The bow on him. I'll put this K2 meter next to him too. Whoops, I almost knocked him over. You don't have to be shy. I'd just like to be friends with you. Would you like to be friends? I thought I heard something. It was like a whew. Did you just make a sound? What I thought sounded like a high-pitched breath was actually the whisper of a child saying, I was... Okay. Recording now. What? Whoa. Dude. Holy shit. What was that? Dude, that was like a whimper. Hello? Who's down there? Dude, there's nobody down there. Oh my god. Holy moly. I gotta go over there. And I don't know if I want to. Dude, like, what is this actual dog? Because that's what it sounded like. It sounded like something running down that tree line. And that whimper too. That sounded like a mutt. I didn't think I was gonna hear that. Are you unhappy? From what I've heard, when people see you, you seem to look angry or upset. Why is that? Are you upset that your grave is unmarked and that it appears to have suffered vandalism? I'm very sorry. Is there anything I could do to help? What? It's like, it just suddenly got warm again. Like my face feels fine. I feel like I feel you moving around. What? Oh my God! That was right back here. That was from behind me. Holy. Do you want me to leave? I suddenly feel really unwelcome here.
I am shook by what sounds like a little boy's voice saying, "There is no reason for a child's voice to be heard from anywhere, for I was completely alone in this cemetery."
Whatever the hell that voice was, it literally sounded like a child. Oh my God. I've got chills down my freaking spine right now. Are you still over there?
Between these two trees, you can see this strange face-like anomaly peering out. Its height is rather short, much like a young child. In the photo taken after it, you can see that the face has completely vanished. All three of these captures line up with the description of the ghostly boy, leading me to believe.
Espero que les haya gustado el video. No olviden suscribirse y darle me gusta. Nos vemos en el siguiente video, mortales.